Hello, welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about how to create a custom connectors for a logic app. We can reuse the existing OpenAPI definition file, JSON file for the logic app as well. But as an extra step, we need to create a logic app custom connectors. Previously, so in order to create the custom connectors for the logic app, we need to have these extra step. We need to go to the portal.azure.com, just search for logic app custom connector, create a logic app custom connector. These are the steps. We need to specify the subscription resource group, and then what is the connector name and what is the region. So create the connector, create the custom connector first. So once the custom connector is created, we need to edit the custom connector. So after editing the custom connector, it will take us through the editing section of the custom connector, where we'll be defining the where we'll be having these sections. If you look closely over here, we have only three options. Whereas in the Power Apps or Power Automate, we have two other extra sections. Like we have options for code, we include the code, and we have options for a test tab. And also we have the options for the policies tab. Here in the definition and definition itself, we'll be having the option to test this API, but the code option and the policies option are not available for the logic apps currently. But rest of the things are same for creating the custom connector via the OpenAPI, and these are the options available for creating the custom connector. We have options feasibility to choose either the REST API or SOAP API, and what kind of import mode, whether we will be specifying the OpenAPI or will be specifying the URL that resides the OpenAPI file, or we'll be specifying the Postman collection. So for now, for this, we have specified the JSON file, whatever file that has been created previously. So here, all these will be taken from the JSON file, and the same steps follows for the definitions as well. So once this is done, just click on update the connector. Okay, once the connector is updated, just go to logic apps, create a logic app, test logic app, and add the custom connector. That's it, all set. So if you run the custom connector, then we'll specify the environment ID, then it will give you the values, all the flows in the environment. So this is how we'll be creating the custom connectors for the logic app. So for creating the custom connectors in logic app, first step is we need to create a logic app custom connector, and we need to edit that custom connector and provide the details of the OpenAPI or what kind of the collection. If it is a Postman collection, we enable the Postman collection and fill in all the details, like the general security definition, etc. So all these details needs to be entered and update the connector and use the connector in the logic. So in the previous 4 videos, we have discussed about the connectors, the overview of the connectors, creating the connectors from blank, and creating the connectors from the OpenAPI, and how do we maintain the connectors via Power Platform CLI, and how do we maintain or create connectors, custom connectors inside the solution, and how do we maintain the connectors inside the solutions, and some of the best practices. In this video, we talked about how to create the logic app custom connector, and how do we edit or import the Open API inside the logic app custom connector, and create the connector, use the custom connector in the logic apps. Hope all the videos are useful. If you have any queries, reach me out in the comment section so that I can respond to the query. Thank you for your valuable time. Let's catch up in the next video series.